How to stabilize a video with VideoPad. Open your video file in VideoPad. Right-click on the clip in the video bin and select Stabilize Video from the menu. Continue watching for additional details on stabilizing a shaky video with VideoPad. Open the video you wish to stabilize in VideoPad. Select the clip in the video bin. Open the menu and hover over Video/Image Effects. Click on Stabilize Video in the Video/Image Effects list. The Deshaker option dialog opens. Click on the Deshaker dropdown to view the quality options. The higher the quality, the longer it will take to process the clip. Lower quality will process faster, however, it will not perform as much stabilization. For advanced technical users, click the Advanced button for more deshake values and the Options button to make changes to the encoder. Once you are ready to perform video stabilization, click OK. This process can take a little time, so it's a good chance to stretch your legs or grab a coffee. For more VideoPad tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.